Hello everybody, welcome to Zyber Organics YouTube channel. My name is Tunayane and I'm the founder of Zyber Organics and I'm also the face of the brand. I just want to say hello to everybody. I know I haven't posted for a while. I've been a little bit busy with getting things sorted. So I hope you're keeping well. I decided to upload this video about Bakuchiol. I know this is the new rage in the skincare world, and I wanted to put my little two cents to it, coming from the formulation point of view. So we're going to review what is Bakuchiol. If you're a formulator yourself, how can you use it? What is its properties and why it's become so popular? So we're going to talk about a little bit about that, and I'm going to show you a very basic oil serum that you can also do it at home, which is also very good for acne prone skin. It will help you keep the skin calm. So let's dive into it. What is Bakuchiol? Bakuchiol is a plant. So it's actually a natural plant that grows around India, China, around Himalayas, but its geography is quite wide range. So why has it become so popular? What is the whole what's causing this popularity? Well, apparently there's been a report that is made about Bakuchiol and its effectiveness, a scientific report. And cosmetic industries, especially cosmetic companies, started to use this ingredient as a natural alternative to retinol. So retinol is all about the vitamin A, but the problem with vitamin A using retinol is it's a synthetic derived ingredient, so it's made in the lab, so it's not natural. So because all this natural cosmetic trend going on, so a lot of people wants to uh, switch to natural ingredients. Bakuchiol has become very popular. Where it's come from is a plant called Bakuchi plant. As I mentioned, it grows around in the Himalayas, China, India, but it's quite wide range. And it's also, it doesn't have the problems that comes with using retinol. So, retinol can also have some skin irritation, as well as it is not a stable ingredient. It has some photo sensitivity, which means if you expose this ingredient into light and heat, it may become very unstable and may cause your formulation and your product to disintegrate, or if it's an emulsion, it may cause issues with the product staying stable, basically. So that's why it's a whole rage about the Bakuchiol, and it's just because it's a plant that is heavily it's natural plant, and is also very stable, and you can also use in your formulations. If you're doing it, especially if you're doing an emulsion, you can heat this oil, but it is preferred, it is advised that it should not go above 75 degrees. But in my point of view, if you're going to make a just basic oil serum in a cold blended process, you don't actually need to use any heat. You can just use this ingredient straight away. It has very beautiful benefits. That's why it's another rage. The Bakuchiol is very good emollient, and also anti-aging effects and anti-wrinkles effects, and also it helps with the collagen production in your skin. So it has all the very good functions that we're all looking for. So what I'm going to show you today as a little oil serum that I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we're going to make a very light oil using very simple 4 or 5 ingredients. So actually 5 ingredients, right? So one of them is going to be grapeseed oil, which is, as you know, is used in the massage world, massage therapy, or it's very easily absorbed. So we're gonna so it's very very good oil. So we're gonna use grapeseed oil. We're gonna use some safflower oil, which is also known very highly moisturization, especially is good for face, feet and hands, and if you have a very dry skin, it absorbs very fast, as it's as good as grapeseed, even better. So we're gonna use grapeseed, safflower oil, and then we're gonna use jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is very popular because especially it is very good for your hair, especially for the skin, because as you know, jojoba oil has skin, it regulates your sebum production, so it's very good oil to use. So we're gonna mix all these, add our bakuchiol in it. It normally is added to 1%, and it's advised to use 1%, not more than that. And another thing we're gonna use is vitamin E, which is our natural antioxidant. And also I want to mention bakuchiol is oil soluble. So you can't use bakuchiol because it's natural dried ingredient. It's made from the plant seeds and it's cold processed. You can't use bakuchiol in a water-based formula. So it has to be an oil-based formula. You're either going to make an emulsion combining the oil and the water together, or you're just going to use purely an oil-based formula to make balms, oil serums, face creams, anything like that. But you can't make a water-based sort of formulation with bakuchiol. So far, if you have any questions, and if I've gone if I've gone too fast, please do submit your questions in the comments below. I will happily answer to you. And I'm also going to provide some links where you can get bakuchiol. And yeah, if you have any more questions, please do answer them. Please do ask them in the comment section below. And let's get going to make this lovely, really light facial bakuchiol serum. See you in a minute. Right, so I got my ingredients all here. I got a little pipette for me to help precisely measure the oils. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to use 5 ingredients. For grapeseed oil, as I mentioned, it's very good moisturizer, and we're gonna use safflower oil. This is one of the highest lubricating and moisturizing oils out there. I also use organic jojoba oil. So as I mentioned, jojoba is one of the beautiful oils to use. It regulates your skin sebum production, so it's very, very healthy for your skin to use. It also helps protect the skin. It forms a little layer of a barrier so that it doesn't let water to evaporate. So it's very good for your skin moisturization. And this is our famous ingredient, bakuchiol. You'll see in a minute, it has a yellowish look to it. So when I put it, I'll just bring it a little bit closer for you to see what it looks like. I got mine from this brand, a supplier called Maker's Ingredients. It wasn't too expensive and they dispatched it very fast. So I'll put a link for them below. And as a disclaimer, I'm not associated with them. So I just bought it with my own money. And this is our vitamin E. Again, it's for antioxidation, reduces the oxidation process and helps with the shelf life. So today I'm going to make a very, very easy, simple recipe. So all we're going to use 40% of grapeseed oil, 40% of safflower, okay, and 18% of jojoba. So 40, 40, 80 plus 18, 98, 1% vitamin E, 99, and 1% bakuchiol. So let's start measuring our ingredients. 18, because I need to use the pipette because otherwise you can so easily go over it. So, and the other one is another 20 grams of safflower. So let's tear this now. Okay, and okay, so we got the 18% of 50 gram, which makes 9 grams. So we're going to put 9 grams of jojoba oil. So just tear it again. And just pour a little bit. Don't need to do too much. That's done. And now comes the magic ingredient, which is bakuchiol. So as I promised, I said that I will show you in close up. So as you can see, bakuchiol is quite as you can see, it's very it's like a golden yellowish liquid to it. You can put maybe a little drop on your hands. It's a carrier oil, it's oil, it doesn't hurt you, so you can just put in your skin to feel it. So that's our star. So let's put 1%. So 1% is around 0.5. So let's put a little bit of 1, 2, 47. Okay, there you go. So that was enough. You don't need to put too much. And finally, we put our vitamin E, which is another 0.5. So just mix all together and give us this beautiful yellow mixture of oils. If you want to go really fancy, you can also do essential oils. You can totally mix this, because these, at the end of the day, these are carrier oils, and you can add your essential if you want to add some lavender in it, or chamomile, or any other like sweet orange, or you can use some rose as well, just to give that sweet sense. Rose upstairs is quite expensive, so if you get a rose dilution is also good. So so we created this little oil mixture of serum, which looks quite nice. You can see it like that up and close with our Bakuchiol, and we're almost done. What we're going to do is going to empty this into our little bottle here, and it'll be ready to use. Let's empty this. Okay, I'll show you next here. There you go. This is our little golden elixir. So here's our lovely facial serum. Well, you can also use this in your hands or in along with your body, but it's also good to use in your face if you want to reduce wrinkles, you know, laugh wrinkles, which I do get a lot, or around your mouth, for the wrinkles around your mouth. It's very, very moisturizing, and it's very nourishing oil mix to use. Yes, so if you have more questions, please do comment in the comment section below, and I'll come back to you. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you have any more suggestions for video ideas, please also put your comments in the comment section below. I will look forward to seeing you again in the next time. Up until then, take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.